Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nadhirah Ismail. Today I will assist you the beginner's guide on how to do a quick and presentable makeup for work, especially like if you work as a PR practitioner. That work require you to be fast and also presentable at the same time, because you know, as PR, it's like you work for 24/7, seems like doctor, but you need to meet client, not patient. So you know the difference. In case you have no ideas of what PR work is, so I don't know if you have watched this K-drama. It's called Shooting Stars. Storyline is about love story between Oh Han-byul and also Go Tae-sung, which is Oh Han-byul character is as a PR at Star Force, and also Go Tae-sung is the artist of Star Force. Basically, that's how PR work like. So maybe you can watch the series so that you know a bit about what PR works. Throughout this video, I will share to you some product recommendation and where to buy in the description box, and also I will share to you some tips and tricks on how to achieve this look. So keep watching. Okay, so the first step is I'll be using toner. So the one that I'm using is from Milk Touch. So I start to prep my skin using toner because it can remove all of the dirt and oil from my skin before I start with makeup base. So I don't know if you can see, but it has a bit dirt. I recommend you to get this toner. So the next step, I will use this Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Ampoule to boost my hydration on skin. So the tips, you don't apply like directly on your skin. Instead, you put on your palm for hygienic. So the next step, I will use moisturizer from PLDQ. This one is a Snail cream. So you can skip step for toner and also for serum or ampoule, but this step you cannot skip because it's really important for your skin moisture and also hydrating. So the last step for skin prep is I will use this In Aqua Sun Play as my sunscreen. It's important for you to use your sunscreen, especially if your moisturizer or your foundation don't have a SPF. So done with skin prep. So now I'll start my makeup with eyebrow. I'll just draw my eyebrow as natural as I can. This step is optional, but if you got more time, you can do it. Also, if you have a thick eyebrow, unlike me, I have a thin eyebrow, so this step is a must for me. Then I will conceal my eyebrow to make it more neat. Start my makeup base using concealer to conceal my redness and also like dark spot on my face. I already let it sit for like a few seconds and then I'll blend using beauty blender. Moving on to the next step, so this time I will use foundation. This step is optional, but if you got more time, you can use this to look more extra. So this is my way on how I apply foundation. So I just spread it like this before I use my beauty blender. Now I use this Perfect Coverage Matte Powder in Coat Fair. This one is from Ferrero Rosa. For more natural look, I use this brush. So now I will shading my nose so that it will not look this bad using Focular Face. Using the same product, I also will use this for my eyeshadow. Use it for under eyes as well. So done with eyeshadow and shading, I will use this blusher from O.TWO.O Beauty in code Baby Pink. Just on my cheekbone. So before I forget, I will prep my lips using this lip balm from Amina. But if that time I'll have like really dry and flaky lips, I will use this one instead. This one is from One Thing Moisturizing Lip Essence. Because I'm extra and I will make time for this, I will use eyeliner, even a bit on my eye. The one I use is from Pink Flash. But this one is important. For me, I cannot skip this. This one is mascara from Skiggle, the eye. Can you spot the difference? So you don't need to wear false eyelashes. Next, I will use this lip matte from Perfect Diary because I want my lips to stay all day. But don't worry, I recommend this lip matte because it's so good and it's matte on your lips, but it's not that drying, but also it stay all day. And then I will top with this color. So this one is the last step, so that your makeup will stay on and not cakey. So basically that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope my sharing and my tips and also my product recommendations is useful for you, and happy trying. And if you find this video useful, share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that. Bye!